UMLA ka Mawlai ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang hakasngi ba ulawan ra ahyeng dorbar banyatai Halor ka jing pinbit pinbiang ya ka Shillong Government College of Engineering ha Mawlai Kynton Massar ka bala pri de menteri rangba haka khandriu terit kalalengkot hajar phulai. Habaju bab Halor ka ni menteri ketenat puli puthi ke Khubor rakam isangma ula pentip ba ka jing pinbiang ya ka bat ka boarding kira dep bat menta ki pen kre ban pendap ya ki san pusan tadi ki kam bat ong ru ba menta ki ap setang ka jingbit na ka AICTE.
Because reply to question number 17, sir. So the status of the Shillong College of Engineering is detailed below. Sir, number 1, the building construction, that is academic block, administrative block, boys and girls hostel of the Shillong College of Engineering, Shillong, and completed and inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya on 16 January 2023. Sir, the connection, there is water supply, electric connection of Shillong Engineering College are in place. So number 3, the government has conveyed the approval of establishment of Shillong College of Engineering and 55 posts were created. So number 4, the government has allowed additional director of polytechnic and Shillong Engineering College to hold additional church as principal of the Shillong College of Engineering. So number 5, government has conveyed approval of 13 existing faculty of Shillong Polytechnic who are qualified for teaching in the college. So number 6, so North Eastern Hill NEHU has conveyed approval for provisional appellation for Shillong College of Engineering for a period of 3 years. Sir, number 7, so on 26, 2024, Shillong Government College as Engineering has applied for All India Council of Technical approval to start 2 technical courses, this is civil engineering and electrical engineering. And subsequently to AICTE committee were held on 22nd, 125 and 4/2/2025. Experts from AICTE have advised the college authority to comply with some of the building deficiency in which are being addressed.
Your supplementary question, please.
May I know from the Minister in charge, Education, whether the above 55 posts created have been advertised or not? If yes, when? And if no, why?
CPS, sir? Not yet, sir.
May I know the reason?
Sir, as I have already replied, we are waiting for the approval of the AICTE first.
As you have pointed out with regards to the AICTE expert inspection, where they have pointed out some infrastructure deficiencies. So what are the infrastructure deficiencies pointed out by the expert from AICTE? Whether these deficiencies, they are major or minor in nature?
Speaker, sir, so AICTE observation is about the building, some building rooms. I mean, mainly of the administrative blocks, and which are being addressed now.
Why I'm asking, because I don't know whether the government, while constructing this building, have they gone through the AICTE guidelines? Because as far as my knowledge is concerned, before building any building, whether classroom or laboratory or whatever, you have to follow certain guidelines. I just want to know whether the government, before constructing this building, have consulted or have followed the guidelines of AICTE, where they have to make some adjustment later on.
Speaker, sir, so sometimes AICTE norms for infrastructure and faculty are updating every year to come up with a changing trend of technology. So in this case, sir, the observation of the ICT is being addressed, and we are expecting to see the light of the day at the very earliest, sir.
So finally, when can we expect this session to start after it has been inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister since 16th of January 2023? When can we expect?
Speaker sir, in fact, as a government, we want to start at the earliest possible. But as soon as when we get the approval, the permission of the AICT, we will start the academic sessions at the earliest.